This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sinigang na bangus. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 whole bangus, about 1 kilogram, cleaned and sliced. Prepare 1 packet of sinigang sauce sampalok mix, 2 medium tomatoes, 1 large onion, 1 radish, 2 long green peppers, and 1 bunch of kangkong. These components are crucial for achieving the authentic sour and savory taste of this beloved Filipino dish. To begin, clean your bangus thoroughly and slice it into serving portions, roughly 2 inches thick. In a large pot, sauté 1 chopped onion until translucent, then add 2 diced tomatoes and cook until they soften, releasing their juices. Pour in about 6 cups of water and bring it to a rolling boil. This initial simmering step helps to create a rich and aromatic base for your sinigang broth. Once the broth is boiling, carefully stir in 1 packet of sinigang sauce sampalok mix until it completely dissolves, infusing the liquid with its signature sourness. Next, add the harder vegetables, 1 sliced radish and 2 long green peppers. Allow these to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are tender crisp. Season the broth with 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, adjusting to your preferred level of saltiness. Finally, gently add the bangus slices to the simmering broth. Cook for only about 5 minutes, or until the fish turns opaque and is just cooked through, to prevent it from becoming dry or falling apart. Then, add 1 bunch of kangkong, cooking for just 1 to 2 minutes until it wilts. Serve your piping hot sinigang na bangus immediately with steamed white rice for a truly comforting and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.